How to make a loose incense. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a loose incense from various herbs, roots and resins. Loose incense is a combination of herbs, roots and resins that you would sprinkle onto a charcoal disc or throw onto a fire. Unlike conventional incense sticks or cones that have added ingredients such as saltpeter, which is added to make the incense burn continually. There are a few things that you should remember when you start making loose incense. These can also be applied to any brew, oil blend or anything made for magical purposes. Firstly, you need to work out what your intention is. What is your aim? What is your goal? It can help to write down a few keywords relating to this. Do your research, know your correspondences, which herb relates to which planet or which deity, and which attribute each herb has. Doing this research, you may also find further information which can add some really good potency to your work. Gather your ingredients. Make sure you have everything you require. There is nothing worse than finding you don't have enough of a certain item on the day of your working. However, certain ingredients can be substituted, such as frankincense and copal are reasonably interchangeable. Or tobacco can be used in place of many of the poisonous plants you might find in some of the older recipes. Write your recipes down. This is incredibly important. I'm one of the worst culprits for doing this. It's worthwhile knowing if you have to make the same blend again, and if you have any excess of it. I'm forever trying to identify random pots of nonsense. You may find that during making the blend, your intuition will let you know if you should add a certain ingredient or take one away. This experience will come with time. When you're grinding your incense, aim for a granular consistency. Avoid large chunks. These can either swamp your charcoal or not burn properly, essentially changing the aroma of your blend. Some herbs are harder to grind than others, and take that into account when putting your blend together. The incense we are making today will be for healing, purification and protection. We're going to be using various different herbs, the first one being rosemary. It has many uses, mainly for purification and also for the warding off of evil spirits. Next is frankincense. It's used for the manifestation of the will and purification. Next is elderberries, used for protection and among other things, the blessing of homes and businesses. Orange is to promote happiness and to increase spirituality. White willow we're using for regeneration. This is a fantastic plant and has a great many healing properties. And finally, sandalwood. This is used for protection and purification. I'll be blending these, putting the hardest ingredients in first. It's always good to use a decent sized pestle and mortar. This can make the grinding easier. Some ingredients, such as flowers, dried leaves, break down quickly and would probably be the last ingredient you add. This incense is going to be for our ritual for world healing. We invite you to light a candle and join in if you wish to make the incense yourself. We have the links for all the ingredients in the description below. We'll also link the other video. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.